Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Santosh Abadi and you guys are watching Santosh and Beyond. So it's been a year since I have been using this Typecase Edge keypad. I had made an unboxing video of it last year and few of you had some questions on it. So I'll be taking those questions and answering them, and later I'll be giving my opinion or my reviews on this 1 year usage of this keypad. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so the first question is, can you turn off the lights on the keypad? Yes, we can turn off the light on the keypad. There is a toggle for it. It's, I think, function plus 5. It's function plus, yes, 5. It is actually for the brightness. You can switch the brightness and turn it off entirely. And also function 6, it with it you can change the colors as well. There are multiple colors. I lost the count of it, and the off-white is the one that I like. Not that it matters. So yeah, to answer the question, you can turn the light off. Okay, so the next question is, how is the latency of the trackpad as it is Bluetooth? It is very seamless actually. There is no lag and you won't feel any delay between your input and the response. It just goes into idle mode if it is not used for a while. Then you can just tap any key on the keypad. It will just wake up and get connected within a second, and you're good to go again. When you close the iPad, will the display be get damaged by touching the keyboard? No, actually the keyboard has this rubber like feet, they call it, and it stops the screen from touching the keypad. So the screen won't touch the keypad, and there will be no damage to either screen or the keypad. They both are safe. So the next question is the keypad quality good? Is it metallic? The keypad is not metallic actually. It is made up of reinforced plastic, but it doesn't feel cheap. It feels actually premium and it is very sturdy. I don't use anything gently. I'm a very rough user. And if it has survived in my hand for 1 year, means it is very good. So those are all the questions that I had in my comment section of that reel of short. So coming to the review section, let's get started. So one thing I don't like about it is the weight distribution. When the iPad is connected and the surface is uneven, sometimes it tends to fall even if a small force is applied, which is very common when you are using the pencil, Apple Pencil, and if you apply a small force, it will fall down. Sometimes it falls, sometimes it doesn't. And also the viewing angle is very less. Nobody views it at this angle actually. So the viewing angle is actually from here to here. It is too little, but it gets the work done. And now the keypad is in like idle mode. You just have to wake it once and it's connected. Now you can see the mouse pointer, and yeah, once it is connected, what I like about this is the gestures of the trackpad. Like with 3 fingers you can switch between the apps. What the fuck? Like this, and you can close with swiping it off, and open search, close it. So notification bars, you can open it here and you can close them. And it also comes up with multiple inbuilt shortcuts which are provided here. And also if you are using something and if the trackpad is coming in the middle and it is getting tapped accidentally, you can just press function and plus, it will disable the trackpad. So the trackpad will not have any effect. Again, if you want to enable it, just enable it, and the trackpad is again back as mouse. So that is it about today's video. Hope you guys found it useful. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe if you are new. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care.